Good morning. We're going to take a look at how to use or how to deal with Canvas as far as it goes with respect to the micro lecture class. Now, this is the way we are setting it up. Your screen may vary depending on where you're looking at, but a couple of things to find out. Number one is over on the side over here. On the left-hand side, you see a button that says Home. You see one that says Syllabus, Modules, Quizzes, Assignments, Discussion, Collaborations, Grades, and People. Each one of these does different things. If you come over to the syllabus one and you click on the syllabus, it is going to take you to this page where you can look at it and you can see the syllabus. It's got your online syllabus. It's got the online pacing schedule. And then down below it, it says that these are different things that are due on specific dates. It's got your Module 1 exam, and it says that's due on September 14th. It's got your quizzes, which say you're due on September 18th. I don't know why you'd take them after you did your exam, because they're a good study help for them. So you can see things like that. You can actually click on these and get to them from the syllabus page. You come over here. The next one down is the module page. And the module page starts out and it says Module 1. We're going to look at Introduction to Microscopy. This is the only module that is up right now, so don't worry about looking at the other ones. They will be placed up at, by the proper time. It says down here, Introduction, Watch Me. And the Introduction, Watch Me is where this video is going to go. If you click the next button down here, it says your next button is your study guide. You pull up your study guide, and this is the material that we're going to be covering for this particular section. Then it says your next one is Chapter 1, which talks about Introduction and Molecules of Life. You go down, it says we're going to break it down into several smaller bites. It says each subject area may have a quiz, and that helps you check your progress along the way. Introduction, here's your first lecture. This is a mini lecture. Everything we're doing is mini lectures. It's 6 minutes and 19 seconds long. It's in here. It's got sound to it, and so you can watch it whenever you want. As you go down, you will find that each part is going to have a little mini lecture, or it's going to have something else. This one talks about scientific method. So as you go through this, you want to make sure that you watch all of these. None of these are any more than about 10 minutes long. They're little short bites on each part. Now, if you look at this next part, it says the next thing you're going to have is this quiz. And it says the quiz comes up. It says it's locked until August 24 because Blackboard doesn't go up until then. And basically it tells you that it's 10 points. It's got 10 questions. You've got 30-minute time limit. You're allowed 2 attempts on it. And when it comes up, there'll be a button that says Take Me, and you click on the button to take you. When you've got quizzes up, they are an excellent way to study the material. And all of that material should be on your study guide. It also says you're going to find assignments. The assignments right now include all the quizzes. It includes the exams. There are other things in here which are going to be included. There are going to be assignments. It shows you what your points are, when they're due, when they're going to come up, so you can see everything ahead of time. There are going to be discussions, and right now I don't think there's anything there. There are going to be some collaborations. And it says, oh, it's not yet been published by the instructor, so you can't see it. And all of this material is going to be up so that you can deal with each one of these units in here. In the end, you go to your grade book, and your grade book should have everything in there so that you will be able to check your progress. So when you look at Canvas, Canvas is not much different than Blackboard. It works virtually in the same way. And with a little bit of thinking about it, you should not have any problem whatsoever.